Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So if you are on my channel for the first time, welcome, a special welcome to you guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're first time on my YouTube channel, a special welcome to all of you. And if you have been to my channel several times and you have still not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe it right now. And one announcement that I would like to make today is I'm having a giveaway, and in that giveaway you will be getting a free reading from me. I will contact you guys myself if you win it. And so what you have to do to be a part of this giveaway, it's very simple. You just have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below that subscribed, like the video. And if you will do this, you will get noted down, and you will itself be a part of this giveaway. I will note down your names, and because I do not have much subscribers right now, so there are high chances for you to get selected. And once you get selected, I select you, I will announce it in one of my videos, and then from there I will give you one link for your private reading. I will continue to talk to you once you win the giveaway. So here are the three piles: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. You have to think about that person whom you want messages from, because this video is messages from a specific person. So meditate on that person. It could be multiple people, but meditate on them and then look at which pile is attracting it to you. And yes, the links to the timestamps to every pile is down in the description, so you can check it out. And yes, pause the video if you want more time, because now I'm beginning with the video. Pile number 1, let's see what are they thinking about you. What is the message that they want to convey it to you? Let's see what they want to let you know. We got Queen of Hearts and we got Ace of Hearts. Let's see more cards. We got the Devil card. We got the Page of Pentacles. Let's see. We got the 9 of Pentacles. We got the 5 of Swords, and we got this message: heal the light of your soul. So yes. So here with the Queen of Hearts, with the Queen of Hearts here, I feel like you are asking about a woman. It could be your mother, it could be anyone. So it is like a female person here. You may be asking about a female person. What is she thinking about you? So here I see a lot of selfishness. I'm not going to lie. I see selfishness here. They are desperately in this kind of thing. They are like, they want something from you. They are not ready to give something. With this Devil card here, it's like negativity. It's like selfishness. All these 3 cards right now are like selfishness. For a lot of you, I'm seeing a best friend here. You see 2 best friends, and what I'm seeing is in this relationship of you friends, I'm seeing that the person that you are asking about, what they want to say to you, one thing that I'm definitely picking up is in their energy is that they are like very selfish. They want something from you. They are not ready to give. But rather they want something. Let me give you an example. For example, 2 friends are studying, are doing their studies, and both of them are like best friends, but yet they are competitors. So if someone is with you, they are not because they want to give you, but because they're selfish, they are greedy. They are with you because they have a motive behind it. They are with you because of their own personal reasons. You know what I mean, what I'm trying to say, that I see a lot of toxicity here with this Devil card. I see a lot of toxic energy. a lot of toxic energy here with these Queen of Hearts and this Ace of Hearts. Someone who wants to be loved but is not willing to give the same. Someone who wants everything from you but will not give you the same in return. Yes. Okay, so one more thing I'm seeing here is the friendship may begin with this toxic energy, this devil energy, everything like that, but at the end it's going to be like right investment. From one pentacle, you started from one pentacle, you understand, you start from one pentacle, from this toxicity, from this devil energy, from this one pentacle you start, and then the time you end you have so many pentacles with you. So this is what's going on with you as well. It's in the beginning it's going to be like very toxic, very bad, and just so much like only one and like that, but with the time it's going to be like this fruitful, and from one pentacle it's turned into this entire like 9 pentacles together, like heaven on earth. So yes, the beginning does not seem really right. Okay, so this reading is like what they want to say to you, but I'm just picking up general energies and I'm saying what I'm seeing. Okay, so what they are saying to you is they want everything. They are demanding right now. What I'm seeing is they are demanding something from you. They are demanding, they want this, they want that, they want gifts, they want this, that. Right now I am seeing what they are asking from you is they are demanding. It could be anything. It could be money that they are demanding. It could be friendship that they are demanding. It could be your time that they are demanding. They are using you. Is something I see. They are demanding, they are asking for something from you. And one thing I'm noticing as well is one day you will get out of this toxicity, and you will realize your own importance. You will get healed. I see that this all happening in your life is happening for a reason, and this reason is very divine. It's very like divine timing. You have no control over it. It's going how it's going how it is meant to go, and you will get healed after that. You will learn so much after this all ends. Yes, for some people here, they are asking you to stand up for yourself. This is maybe this message is for someone, but someone is asking you to stand up for yourself. You deserve to stand up for yourself, heal yourself through all this. Someone here is a very positive energy also I'm feeling for some people. I'm seeing 2 groups. For one, it's all this devil energy, and for one I see these cards, and they are all portraying different stories. So it may be there may be a different message for you. And what I'm seeing is someone is asking you to stand up for yourself, to fight for your rights, to heal yourself. So yes, this is all I see for you, pile number 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye, see you guys in the next video. Hello, pile number 2. So let's look at your cards. Okay, so these 2 cards are, we got King of Clubs, 9 of Clubs. Let's see the tarot cards now. Ace of Cups, 9 of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the King of Wands. And this is the Oracle card, Clarity of Mind. Be clear about what you want. So one thing that I am noticing directly is with the clarity of mind, Maybe a lot of people here are confused, or maybe the person you are asking about, it could be that you do not know this person very well, or this person do not know you very well, so that's why they are very confused, or they are not thinking about you at all, or these people have nothing to say to you. These people don't know enough about you. Or it could be that these people want to say to you that please be clear about what you want. Maybe these people want you to understand that please be clear about what you want, because these people feel that you are very confusing. These people do not even understand you. These people are like, you are so confusing. They don't say this on your face, but behind your back they are like, you are so confusing. Sometimes you are good, sometimes you are bad. Are you our friend or enemy? We are confused. This is what the people are saying. So they want that you should be a little clear. You should know what you want. You should stick to your decisions. And with this hanged man here, do you see how this area over the head is highlighted? So with this I see definitely people are like, you're confused, very confused person. Okay. So one thing that I'm noticing here is the person that you are asking about, like what this person is saying about me. A lot of people here, not everyone, but a lot of people here are asking what a dead person is saying. Maybe someone has passed, or maybe a child who is not yet born. Maybe you are asking about that child, what is that child saying? Or yes, not for everyone, but for a lot of people I'm seeing that you are asking about a person who is dead or is not yet alive, or someone who has not yet came to life. So I see the birth of a girl, and with the Ace of Cups, and people also want to say, this person wants to say, stop thinking that you are always right. Sometime because some people feel with this King of Wands that you never accept your mistakes. You're like, I'm always right. So someone is saying here that you are not always right. Other people can also be right sometimes. This is what the person is saying. Some of you may be asking about your father. Some of you may be asking about your father with this King of Wands. It's like a fatherly figure who is great with businesses, has so much money and wealth, and does a lot of investments, but is not selfish. It seems like a fatherly figure. So to some of you, it can be a father that you are asking about. Yes, and I feel a lot of people here are great with their minds. Here you see, you're going to face disappointments. This is a message from the person that you're asking about. So yes, sometimes you might feel disappointment. Sometimes you feel happy with this King of Wands. Sometimes you feel totally entangled with this hanged man. You do not understand anything. You're confused. This all happens because of your mind, guys. Your mind is very powerful. It is the reason with this Nine of Wands. It is the reason of your success and failure, your disappointments and everything. Your mind is very powerful. Yes, and the person here is saying that if you apply your skills, your mind in the right direction, if you apply your skills and your mind in the right direction, you can create wonders like this King of Wands. You can create wonders like this King of Wands if you apply your brain in the right direction. You need a direction of mind. You need clarity of mind. You should be clear about what you want, how you want. You need you have powerful brains, and someone here is saying this message that you have a very powerful brain. You must understand how to control your mind in the right way. I don't know what does it mean, but yeah, it means something for someone. I am sure about that. Not for someone, for majority of you, this was a very strong message. So try to resonate it with you. You will understand it. And to be very clear, the person that you're asking about is very pure, has very pure intentions for you, wants the best for you. So the person here that you're asking about is a very good person and is your well wisher for sure. So yeah, this is all I see. I hope this reading resonated with you, and I'll see you guys in the next reading. Till then, bye bye. Hi, pile number 3. So let's see what do the person want to say to you, what your person wants to say to you. Let's see the cards. We got the 4 of Wands, we got the King of Spades, we got the 4 of Clubs. Let's see the tarot cards. We have got 4 tarot cards, which we will uncover later. And this is the Oracle card. Anything you want is out there somewhere. So this is the message of the person that you're asking about. Anything you want is out there somewhere. Never stop dreaming. Keep doing. Wherever you're going, you're doing great. Keep doing your work. Anything you want, you will get it. This is what the person says. Okay. Okay, so so this person is very inspired from you. This person wants to be like you. Yes, this person is very inspired from you. This person wants to be like you. This person is praising you, and it's very the person is very inspired from you. I'm sorry for the noise that just came. Okay, so the person is also saying that the person is also saying that keep doing your charity work. The person is very inspired from your charity work, or you give to people, you sacrifice yourself to people. Sometimes you give your things to people, and the person is like, I am inspired from you, and I'm also going to do the same way you are doing. It seems like a student to me. It could be anyone, but it seems like a student to me. And with this Page of Cups, this person also feels that you are a little immature. And yes, this person feels that you are a little immature, and you are like, you just begin with this, you're just beginning with something, and you're not an expert in something. Yes, so even though you are beginning with something, but still you are having so much success with this 6 of Wands. You have just begun with this Page of Cups, and still you are having so much success. So this person is very inspired from your work. This person wants to be like you. This person is very inspired from the charity work that you do. And this person is very uplifting energy. This person is trying to help you, and this person is like any for some of you, someone is also saying something about dreams here. Someone is saying, don't worry, everything will come on the right place. Whatever you're wishing for, have hope in that it will come true. So yes, someone is also saying that have some hope, everything will turn out right. Every single dream that you had will come true. Keep dreaming and everything will come true. I mean, keep dreaming, also do the work. But if there are certain dreams and desires that you want in life, keep going through that. Anything you want, it's out there somewhere. Try to do it. The universe will help you. Just go for it. This is a message. You have a lot of strength which you do not even know yourself. Keep doing the work. Keep doing the work. You'll go through it. The universe is with you. It will help you. You have so much talent and so much skill. You will do it. You are a great person, and people are inspired from you because of your giving nature, because you give charity a lot. You sacrifice yourself for the smaller people. Yes. So yeah, this is all I see for you, pile number 3. I hope you liked the video, and if it resonated, do give this video a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.